no tomorrow.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is episode 8 of our 365-day daily devotional. Y'all, we've made it to 8 of these. That is fantastic. I love it. I am so excited about these. I think that these are really going to make a difference in my life, and that is literally why I wanted to do this so much. Also, why I wanted to share it with y'all, because I just think it is such a great thing to do. But anyways, so this video is actually going to get out a little later in the day than what I typically upload for the daily devotionals. I had some things come up yesterday, and so I wasn't able to film. So I've gotten up early this morning. I'm getting this on here, and hopefully I will have it uploaded ASAP. So I hope that you enjoy it when you do get to see it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family, and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right, guys, let's jump right in. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm having a hot flash. Holy crap. Why? Oh! I don't care what I try to do, I'm having a hot flash. I'm going to have a hot flash before I start to do anything, I swear. It's literally like 25 degrees outside, and I'm sitting here having a hot flash. Like, what is really going on right now? Why? I don't understand. Oh, I don't understand. All right, give me a minute. I'll get this on. I promise. Okay, so number 8, we're just going to jump right in. I want to show y'all the page first, and also reiterate that this is the Jesus Calling by Sarah Young. That is the devotional that we're using. It's the 365-day daily devotional. You can pick it up at Walmart. You can get it on Amazon. You can also download the Jesus Calling app. Now, I think that might cost a little bit to download that. I'm not sure. But anyways, it's fairly reasonably priced, though, either way. All of them are Walmart, Amazon, downloading it, however you do it. I don't think that they're very expensive at all. Anyways, mine was gifted to me from my stepmom for Christmas, and it just was the perfect time to start something like this. So I hope that you guys have been enjoying these. I absolutely love doing this with y'all. That makes it even better. And it causes me to be accountable, you know, so that's awesome. But all right, so number 8, let's get started. Softly I announce my presence. Shimmering hues of radiance tap gently at your consciousness, seeking entrance. Though I have all power in heaven and on earth, I am infinitely tender with you. The weaker you are, the more gently I approach you. Let your weakness be a door to my presence. Whenever you feel inadequate, remember that I am your ever-present help. Hope in me, and you will be protected from depression and self-pity. Hope is like a golden cord connected to heaven. The more you cling to this cord, the more I bear the weight of your burdens. Thus you are lightened. Heaviness is not of my kingdom. Cling to my hope, and my rays of light will reach you through the darkness. It's very, 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 very good. All right, so the verses for this one. God is our refuge and strength, and ever-present help in trouble. I remember that verse from Sunday school. Like, I can remember learning that when I was a little girl, actually. All right. Be joyful in hope, patient in affliction, faithful in prayer. That's a very, very good one. Romans 12:12. All right. May the God of hope fill you with all joy and peace as you trust in him, so that you may overflow with hope by the power of the Holy Spirit. Romans 15:13. Listen to that one again, please. All right. May the God of hope fill you with all joy and peace as you trust in him, so that you may overflow with hope by the power of the Holy Spirit. Now that's pretty powerful right there, I would say. That's a very, very good one. That's Romans 15:13, and that's just a fantastic verse. It is so hard to trust God, especially if you've been, in a situation where you feel like you can't trust anybody. Trusting God, somebody that you can't see or feel or hear or, just, it's definitely hard to trust when you don't have anything there to trust. But the Bible tells us over and over and over and over again to trust God, trust God, trust God. He will fill you with His Holy Spirit. He will fill you with joy. He will fill you with peace. It's pretty well laid out all through the Bible. It just says trust God. I mean, like I said, I know it's hard to trust, especially if you're at that place where you don't trust anybody at this point. But I promise you, you can trust God. I promise you that He will help you. I promise you He will be there for you. I can't say that there's ever been a time in my life when I didn't believe in Jesus and trust in God. That's not to say that I'm ever been perfect by any means. And I had many, many years that I had slid away from the Lord tremendously. I wasn't going to church and things were pretty crappy. They just were. I mean, they were. But always in the back of my mind, I knew to trust the Lord. And when I put my feet with my faith, that's when things began to change. I wish I could think of that verse. Hang on, I will think of it in a second. Okay, so I found it. It's actually a verse from one of our previous devotionals. It is, "For we walk by faith and not by sight." 2 Corinthians 5:7. We walk by faith. Walk. You put your feet with your faith. You've got to put in the work. You can't just lay back and think, well, I'm going to pray and the Lord's going to fix everything. That's not the way it works. You've got to put your feet with your faith. You've got to work at it. You've got to show the Lord that you're trying and show the Lord reverence. And, you've got to really put your feet with your faith. That's just the best way to put it. But trust in the Lord is the number one best thing you can possibly do for any situation that you are in. I promise you that. I promise you, I promise you, I promise you that. With everything that we have going on right now and everything that my family's been through here recently, if I didn't have the Lord to trust in, I'd be in a mess. I would be in a big, big mess, guys. So I know it's not easy to do, but I promise you, if you will just give the Lord a chance, He can fix things. I promise you He can. All right, guys. So I hope that you enjoyed this. I'm not going to say it again, but you know what to do. Do all the things, Anyways, all right. So I hope that you guys really did enjoy this. I thank you so much for being with me, and y'all have a blessed day.